Almost there.
Check out the inside. Keep our food here. There's our sink. There's Ty's bed.
German bean soup with some celery and green onions. Yellowbird. Not bad. Can I go fishing?
Yes.
Yay! So cold, the tip of my rod keeps freezing. All the eyes. My spider sense tells me it's about 28 degrees. A little bit of a push to it. Yeah. I was just on a brown panther martin. This is brown trout. This lure is 20 years old. No joke, it's a 20-year-old lure. There he is. Lunch. I think I'm gonna keep them so Pooh and I can actually have something to eat. As long as they're under 12 inches, that'll make a decent meal. Two tiny trouts. We're gonna cut the fish, add some spices, garlic, pepper, paprika, a little fish fry, and then we're gonna rub it around really good, and we're gonna put it in some oil. Make sure that you have the oil hot before you put your fish on, unlike me. Oh, it's not hot. Nice flip. Oh yeah, Daddy. You know what'd be great? Let's overstuff this pan with rice and broccoli. Oh, let's add some of that. I don't even know what that is. Mmm. Steamy. Check that out. It actually looks pretty good. Bon appetit. Let's see how this trout turned out. Mmm. I don't know, you get a little more than a fillet. Bright and early this morning. Little brownie. I'm gonna send him back. Whew, it's cold. Sure is pretty. Daddy. go. Early bird gets the worm, I guess. I was out here before everyone else when it was cold and freezing. As soon as the thaw happened, there was about 4 or 5 other fishermen out here. I am about a mile from camp or more. This is a lot of fun. I love this place. Fishing was slow at first, but I think today, if I were to keep at it, I could probably catch 30, 50 fish. So that's the way it is. My biggest tip is time on the water, however you want to fish it. Sometimes it's worms and a hook, sometimes it's a panther martin like it was today. Sometimes you can't beat a fly rod. I'd say it was a successful trip trout fishing. About as fresh as it gets.